At MOTAN Inc., we have a number of guiding principles. The first is a customer-first focus. We hear their needs, we identify a solution, and we execute that solution as fast as we can. We are always willing to help them out, always willing to go the extra mile and make sure that they feel that they're taken care of. We have received letters, phone calls saying that our customers have never received the type of care and service after point of sale that we deliver. Communication, it's very important, especially during installations, especially during internal, external kickoff meetings, making sure that everything that should be known is known right off the bat so there's no surprises later. It's about getting the right people involved at the right time, making sure that everyone is on the same page. We've seen the effects of bad communication. Bad communication doesn't fix problems. It only leads to more problems. So here at MOTAN, teamwork is very important. We have a number of people with a number of skill sets. And most often, in any situation, there's somebody that you can call that will give you an answer that will get you on to the next step. Whether it's purchasing, boots on the ground, installing the equipment, or whether it's the sales guys going in for the first time and figuring out what the customer needs. We all have our certain strengths, but we all know what it takes to get the job done. And our turnover is extremely low. When we find the right people and they are a good fit for the job, they enjoy it, they appreciate the empowerment that they receive day to day, and it really creates a really good culture here. Empowerment resonates most with me because you are your own boss in a lot of ways. When you're tasked with a number of responsibilities every day and you are the only person that can get them done, it feels great to know that the people that put you there trust you to get the job done. Planning and preparation in this field of work is extremely important. It can't be stated enough. There could be hundreds of different components on a quote, and without the proper planning, flow drawing, plant drawing, elevation drawing, you just don't know exactly what you're looking at. Customers come to us when they're looking for solutions to their processes, to their problems at times. They're looking for the best way to get from point A to point B, whether it be a certain kind of blender that they're looking for, how to size a loader appropriately. They trust us to put the right things on the quote so that they can order them and succeed on their own. And when you do your job correctly, it just goes downstream. Your coworkers will benefit from it. MOTAN does a really good job with life-to-work balance. They know the value of a family. They know that work is important, but it is not as important as your life outside of work. They do a number of things to prove that as well. Right when COVID started, we began to work from home. Working from home was something that had never been tried here, certainly, and they trusted us, sent us home, and it worked out really well. Since then, we have continued to have a work-at-home atmosphere, and to have that flexibility is really something that I don't think can be minimalized. With the nature of our work, it's complicating, it's challenging, and me personally, I enjoy being challenged. It gives you a sense of pride, gives you a sense that you're doing something that not everyone else can. And when you do it successfully, it gives you a lot of joy and accomplishment. Here at MOTAN, we have a large continuing support from our customers. I really believe that it's the full-scale company culture here that brings them back.